Students, welcome to your maths class. Today we'll be completing the topic addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. In class 7th also you have done addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Now observe how we'll do addition and subtraction. I am doing example number 1, addition of algebraic expression. Now what we'll do, we'll write each expression to be added in a separate row. There are 3 expressions. First is 7x plus 5y minus 3xz. So we'll write this one first. 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx. Now second one, this is 4yz plus 9zx minus y. So this one will be writing like terms under the like term. First one we have 4yz. So we'll be writing this one below this 4yz. The next one we have plus 9zx. So we'll be writing this one here plus 9zx. Now the third one we have minus y. So there is no term which is having variable y. So we'll write it separately, minus y. Now next, this is minus 3xz, xz. So we'll be writing this one here minus 3xz. Next we have plus 5x. So again this one also we have to write it separately, minus 2xy. So this one here minus 2xy. So now we are going to add these 7xy minus 2xy. Now two different signs are here. It means we have to subtract. So it will be 5xy. Now this one, these two are with positive sign. When no sign is given to you, it means addition. So 5 plus 4, 9yz. Now minus 3zx plus 9zx minus 3zx. So these two, xz or zx, is the same thing. So now what we'll do, we'll add these two, 3 and 3, minus 6, and this is positive 9. So what it will be, plus 3zx. Now next we have minus y, and this one 5x. So this is the addition of algebraic expressions. Now from exercise 9.1 we'll be doing its question number 3, first part. It is given to you, you have to add these AB minus BC, BC minus CA, CA minus AB. So again we'll write AB minus BC. Now in the second term, BC minus CA. So BC will write below BC minus CA, this one separately. Now CA minus AB. So CA will come here and minus AB this side. Now we have to add this. One positive, one negative, it means 0. Again one positive, one negative, result will be, and same way here also. So the answer of this question will be 0. Now third part of this question, it is given to you 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. And second, it is given to you 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. So first of all we'll write 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Now second expression will take First one is given to you 5. So we'll write it here, plus 5 plus 7 px plus 7 pq. Then next we have minus 3 p square q square. Now we have to add minus 3 plus 2. So we'll subtract it. It will be minus 1 p square q square. So one, no need to write it, p square q square. Now next we have one positive, one negative. So it will be our positive sign, that is 7 minus 3, that will be 4 pq, and next both are with positive sign, so it will be 5 plus 4 9. Now you have to complete question number 3. Now we'll start subtraction. So we'll be taking example number 2. Subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y plus 5x minus 3y. So first number we have to subtract it from the second. So we'll be writing, first of all we'll be writing second expression, 7x square minus 4x plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Now first one we have to take, it is 5x square minus 4y square. So 4y square we have to write it here, minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3. So this one separately. Now what we have to do, we have to subtract it. But for the subtraction there is one more thing which you have to do. You have to change the sign of the second expression which we have written below. This first one is positive, so it will become negative. This is negative given to you, so this will become positive. Now this one positive, now sign change, negative, and this one will become positive. Now one positive, one negative we have, 7 minus 5. So the answer will be 2x square minus 4x. Now 8y square and 4y square both are positive, so this is 12y square plus 5x minus 9y plus 3. So this is the subtraction. Now exercise 9.1, question number 4, first part, subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. So first of all we have to write 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now second one we have 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. We'll change the sign. We have to subtract it. This is positive, so this will become negative. This is negative, sign will change, positive. Third sign will become negative, and fourth one also. Now we have to subtract it. 12 minus 4, this is 8a. 9ab plus 7ab, so this is minus 2ab. Now 5b minus 3b, so plus 2b. Now both are negative, it will become minus 15. So you have to complete exercise 9.1